Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to go through the assembly instructions for the backpack doll carrier with the rocking bed and bedding. Before we get started, make sure you look at everything. If you're missing any parts or have any damaged pieces, please contact Badger Basket as shown in the end of the instructional video. So let's get started. For step 1 and step 2, you will need part A, the flat/rocking bed frame. You will need part B, the bed platform. You will need part C, the blanket. Part D, the pillow. So for step 1, I'm going to show you how to assemble the flat bed. For the flat bed, you're going to take the bed frame and you're going to open it up. What you want is the curved parts going upward. This is what's going to give you the flat bed. Then we're going to take the bed platform, unfold it, and we're going to place it into the top of this frame here so that it goes in between these white ridges, and you're going to push it down to place, which will create a secure bottom for that flat bed. Lastly, you're just going to put the pillow on, unfold the blanket, and you're set to go. So now to make part 2, which is the rocking bed, we'll take the blanket and the pillow off. You're going to see a little tab here on the bed platform that you can pull up to make it a little bit easier to get that out. Then what you're going to do is flip it over so that this rocking part is now facing down. That's what's going to give us the rocking motion. We're going to put the bed platform back into place in the bottom here. Again, making that secure bottom for the bed. We'll put the blanket and the pillow, and now you have the rocking bed. For step 3, I'm going to show you the 2 options you'll have with the travel case. So when you receive this, you're going to have the travel case, the carrier, attached to the trolley. What you can do is unvelcro this piece here at the top, and you can actually detach the trolley right from the backpack itself. This way you singly have a backpack to use. But to use it now with the trolley, I'm going to put this back on here. Like so. And then what you need to do is you need to take this trolley base and fold this down. So you want this to be folding under the traveling case. When you push this trolley base down, you're going to hear it click into place. So I'm going to pull this down here, like so, so that it's completely flat. Then you're going to put the backpack, the carrying case, on top of this flat piece here. Then when you look at the back, you're going to see these 2 straps. You want to unattach them here, go around these 2 poles, and reattach them like so. This way the case will be secure to that trolley base. Then you can pull up your handle, and you're good to go. Last thing we're going to do is be putting all of the pieces back into the carrying case. So when looking in the carrying case, you're going to see 2 pockets here, a pocket with a strap here, and then if you open this flap up, 2 more pockets. So what we'll do is we're going to take the pillow and we'll put that into one of the pockets in the door. We'll take the blanket, fold this back up, and put this right back into the door. So you'll have these 2 placed here. We're going to pull up this bed platform, fold this back up into thirds. We're going to open up this flap here, and this will go into one of these pockets here, like so. Then we're going to fold back up the bed platform, and this one will go into the other pocket next to that bed platform. So you'll have it like so. So lastly, what you'll do is you'll close this piece back up, and this is where your doll can fit. Can go right into this pocket here, and then these straps going across will help hold it in place. So once you have it set, you'll close the door, zip it up, you can see your doll's face, and then you're set to go. And that concludes the assembly for the backpack doll carrier with the rocking bed and bedding. Remember, if you have any questions, to contact Badger Basket as shown in the next clip. Otherwise, Badger Basket thanks you for watching, and enjoy.